What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider. And you see, I'm about to get to it this morning. I got a semi-truck tire that I'm about to change on this tractor. It's this inside tire right there. You might not be able to see the issue with it, but you will see it once I get to it. Let me go ahead and get going though, man. Enough of that talking. We put him this used Bridgestone on there, and I must say, that's a great looking used tire if I do say so myself. What y'all think, man? Let's get to it though. I'm gonna crank up. This job officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I know you cold. It done been a busy morning. You see I got all these tires on the back here. While my air building up, I'm gonna go ahead and take these caps off. The little protective covers, I'm gonna take them off real quick. Gotta bring out that bit boy this morning and go on and jack him up real quick. I noticed I don't have a lot of semi-truck jobs on my page. We about to change that though. For some reason my footage don't come out the best, but I just got a feeling with this one it's gonna be real good. Take my hat off real quick, my camera off. I'm gonna put him up under that U-boat right there. Hopefully I'm catching it good. I'm gonna put him up under this U-boat. And by him, I'm talking about my jack. Let's go. Keep the head in the middle too. Something else in the world? I ain't never did that like this before I take my hat off or whatever. But we up. Let's go. Hat back on. We up off the ground. Let's get it. You know what time it is. We're gonna go ahead and put that oil inside of my impact wrench. This outside tire is about worn, and me putting that good tire on there, it ain't gonna do no good. So we're gonna switch that out too. Y'all ready? Let's get it. I'm a man, I ain't perfect, I admit it, I'm guilty. I rhyme filthy. Yeah, you good. He want to get the number off the truck. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. It's the tire that I'm changing though. Y'all finna see what's going on with this in a few seconds. Good God almighty, look at this tire. Boy, that joker blew out something nasty. That joker blew out something nasty there, boy. Trying to get a good look at it with my shadow. There we go. That joker blew out something nasty there, boy. All right, enough talking. Let's get to him. Somebody better tell him For real. All right, let's get it. Let us get it. Get your going out tight, boy. My hands frozen. Oh, come on, bruh. Guess I'm gonna have to spoon this joke on off. Whoa. Come on. That one thing I hate about them old cheap tires, they be on us so tight, bro. The Chinese. Let's go. One more time and I got it. I'm gonna put him another valve stem in there. Put him another valve stem. That joke on out tight too. All right, let's go on with this other tire. That lube. Oh Lord. Let's get it. I sold dope and dropped out of school. I broke that cycle. Mandatory minimums. Cousins in college. I'm about to put that tank on him. We'll show y'all something real quick. I'm gonna use my tank on this one to get the tire seated on the wheel. Matter of fact, let's switch over to that cheetah cam. Let's get it. My bad. See that smoke still coming out? What you know about that? What you know about that? Them ain't special effects, man. That's natural. All right, we back, man. We back. We got the tire seated on the wheel. We airing that joker up. Let's see how much we got in there. 45. While that's airing up, I'm gonna go on and put everything up real quick. Put my soap water up. I got 85. I'm gonna put them about 10 more in there. Had to be careful on that one, boy. When I was flipping it on, you don't want that wire to catch you. That is a hurtful feeling. And we right on the spot. Look at that. Right on time. Let's get it. Put him a cap on that valve stem. And we finna go back on. Again, this outside tire is low. I'm gonna let them know they need to change that one out to match up with that good tire on now. You want to match that tread depth up as much as possible. If not, you're gonna keep blowing tires. Pro tip, you see how I'm holding this with my hand up here, holding it in place? If I let go, it comes back off the studs. But I ain't gotta hold it the whole time. If I put a lug nut on that very top stud, or the most toppest stud you can get, it's gonna hold the tire in place for me. So I let it go, it don't fall off. I still got all my studs exposed. I can put both hands to work. Instead of one hand holding the tire, both hands can put on lug nuts. But don't ever say I ain't ever showed you nothing, you know what I'm saying? We work smarter, baby. I worked hard when I was in my 20s, so I ain't doing it in my 30s. I ain't doing it in my 40s. Matter of fact, in my 40s, I want to be able to sit back and reap the benefits of the labor that I have produced and put into this game. You know what I'm talking about? Let's put him on NASCAR. Is you ready? Put the covers back on. I want to say he was missing 2. I think it was just 8 over there instead of 10. Or it might have been 9 instead of 10. He was missing 1. Last one. I'm gonna let my jack down real quick. Gonna pull you from in now. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, a success. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, all right?